Have you ever noticed how some people go all out for their birthday? Big parties, balloons, endless posts on social media, while others just don't care. No cake, no party, not even a dinner, just another 24 hours. But here's the question. Why? Why do some people treat their birthday like any other day? Is it sadness, a sign of maturity, or maybe something much deeper in their psychology? Stick with me until the end because what you'll discover might even explain your own attitude toward birthdays. For some, the story is simple but painful. They don't celebrate because they don't feel celebrated. Imagine this. You're younger and nobody really remembers your birthday. Friends forget. Family is too busy. Maybe you even planned something once, but almost nobody showed up. Over time, the brain adapts. Psychologists call this learned helplessness, when repeated disappointment trains you to stop expecting good things altogether. So eventually, the birthday becomes just another day, not because they don't care, but because caring hurts too much. Then there's another group, the people who are simply caught in the fast pace of life. Work deadlines, studies, family responsibilities. The birthday arrives, and before they even look up, the day is halfway gone. It's not that they forgot, it's that modern life creates time blindness. When your brain gets so overloaded with tasks, special days stop feeling special. For them, the birthday isn't ignored. It's just squeezed out by everything else. And finally, there's a third group. They know it's their birthday. They just don't feel the need to celebrate it. This isn't loneliness. It's not busyness. It's actually a kind of emotional independence. Studies in psychology show that people who tie their self-worth to external validation like parties, gifts, or public attention are often less emotionally stable. But those who find validation within themselves, they don't need a date on the calendar to feel loved or alive. This mindset is linked to what psychologists call self-determination theory, the idea that true well-being comes from autonomy, competence, and inner satisfaction. For them, maturity means realizing I don't need others to prove my value with candles and cake. I already know my worth. And here's the most interesting part. This attitude doesn't stop at birthdays. People who treat their birthday like a normal day often carry the same mindset into life. They don't crave the spotlight. They don't need constant recognition. They're quietly content. Does that mean they never feel lonely? Of course not. They're human. But they've trained themselves to see every day as special instead of waiting once a year to feel alive. So whether you throw a huge party or treat your birthday like nothing at all, both reveal something about you. For some, it's about pain. For others, it's about priorities. And for many, it's about maturity and peace. The real question is, which one are you? Do you need the celebration, or have you already found celebration within yourself? If this made you think differently about birthdays, you'll love the other psychology topics we cover here. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next video. We dive deep into the kind of psychology that actually explains you.